You were talking about the hurricane in Puerto Rico, and it was like 2017, and that did get a lot of mainstream press that hams were deployed down there for communications. The league outfitted them with a bunch of equipment and sent them down there. When you listen to the mainstream narrative of what happened, the story is very different perspective than the actual hams that went down there. If you can get the account from the hams and the lack of coordination and the local people down there understanding of how the hams were supposed to be able to help and what they could do for them is night and day than what was reported in the mainstream press. So